Hi crew, welcome to Lady Life on the Pond. We have a couple things to do and I thought I'd get it on video. I just love documenting, not so much to make videos, but to just document my life. I'm a busy girl and I'm constantly doing something, and I hope that some of the content helps someone or gives them an idea. When I watch YouTube, I watch to learn. I really do. I watch to learn things. Even if it's videos that maybe the content doesn't really interest me too much, but there'll be something about maybe the title or the thumbnail that it just draws me in for a little bit. And I usually always get some kind of little nugget to teach me something, to help me out here on the property. I appreciate you guys. You have no idea how much I love the comments. I love hanging out with you guys. I mean, if there's only 10, I'm good. It's okay. If there's 5,000, that's great too. The comments are what really pushes me, and I try to respond back to everybody that comments, especially the early commenters. You know, because you're not on YouTube 24/7 looking in to see who did what on your content page and, you know, YouTube Studio. But I do try to keep up with everybody that is saying something in some way. So I'm sitting out here in the garage. It's hotter than blue blazes outside, and getting ready to move the golf cart with the mini skid. I'm going to use the mini skid to move the golf cart away from the garage door. And my sister and I are getting ready to have a pretty good sized sale in town tomorrow at our booth. So we have a bunch of stuff, which I will show you, to load up and take to the sale in the morning and set up. So I'll show you the situation. So I got my hair back. It's so hot, but we love it, because would you rather have blazing hot, or would you rather have freezing cold, snow, blizzard? That's how it is in Indiana. There is a happy medium, and I love the spring and fall here. Beautiful weather. But I gotta wait on her to drive the golf cart backwards. And my little girl here, I decided I'm gonna name her Mercy. I'm getting ready to put that sticker on there my sister made for me. And I'm going to name my mini excavator Grace. Grace and mercy shall follow you all the days of your life. Yes, amen. So I think I'm going to put Grace somewhere right there on both sides. Yeah, that's the goal. So that's where we're at the moment, and when she gets here, we will continue recording. So I'll just let you know, I got a couple things coming up. One, I have to bury my 16, 17-year-old dog that I had to have put down a while back, and we'll have to bury him, which I will videotape that, because I know a lot of you have animals, cats, dogs, goats, that you love dearly, and they're like your children. And so that video will be coming up soon. So like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. And then also, I made a homemade rake for the pond. I had one built, and that didn't work out very well. So I made one myself with a 26-foot TV antenna pole. Okay, so it's been interesting, and it's been quite a bit of work, because instead of welding, I have drilled holes and put bolts into this, and I was using it the other day and it actually broke. So I lost about 6 feet. I didn't put the whole 27 feet on as the rake. That's too much. But I did end up with about 18 feet, and I lost 3.5 feet or so when it broke. And I'll tell you why, because and you'll see in the video, I say seaweed, but it's algae. It is so heavy when you rake it in like this to the bank, and then you go to pick up your boom or whatever it is you've got your rake onto. It's so heavy it just bounces. Okay, which, you know, that's physics. So so the piece that broke, I cut it off, and then I just used bolts, and I've got about 15 feet now, which is pretty good. So when I get out there with the rake, using the rake on the little mini skid on Mercy, it'll be interesting. It'll be really neat though. So I hope you stick around for that one too, and we'll see you then.